Hello there, my name is Miguel and this is Practice 8, Program Instructions. Well, this topic is bigger, so in this case I'm going to explain the topics and after I'm going to do the examples, okay? First, join linear and circular. These are trajectories about how move the robot. Joint move the robot just of point A and point B without considering the the specific position. For example, I take this or this is a trajectory. Lineal is a trajectory, how the name say, lineal. So in this case, if I move the robot to A position and B position, the position is like this. And finally, circular is to do arcs. So in this case, something like this. Okay. The next is how we finalize the point. For example, if we have 3 points, we have used find and continuous. Find is following the points. Uh, for example, this and this. And continuous is redundate the points to do more freedom. So, for example, if we have 3 points like this, we have this, not this. Okay? Like conditionals that we need to have, for example, if we have manipulating a robot, like if, wait, in milliseconds, labels and comments, and important call and GMP or jumps. In this case, this is similar to program an APR microcontroller. In this case, this is similar to language ensamblador. So, okay, after of this, I'm going to demonstrate this little explication. So follow me. I have 4 programs. The most important, for example, circular. Circular is using, well, trajectory circular. In this case, when I run this program, we have to do a circle, something like this. Other, for example, is square or cuadrado. In this case, we are using the join mode. We need to note how the trajectory is not linear, it's like a little arc. I'm going to demonstrate. 1 arc, 2 arc, 3 arc, and 4 arcs. Yeah, and finally, the last is square L or cuadrado L. In this case, the trajectories are linear. We can choose one or other with this choice, and we have 3 options: join, linear, and circular. So I'm going to demonstrate using linear. We need to know how the movements, the motion, are linear. This is perfect when we want to do, I don't know, welding works. So, and we need to consider 2 important things. First, the speed. We want to modify the speed or the velocity using a percentage or millimeters by seconds. So this depends of the type of motion. For linear and circular, we want to use millimeters per second or centimeters per second or inches by second. And join use a percentage. This could be, in join could be the 1 and 10, and the millimeters, the 1 millimeter and 2000 millimeters. Okay? Well, to finish, I want to show something important, and this. In this program, we modificate the values of the velocity and the values of the finally mode. In this case, here we use find because I want to touch the point, and CNT or continuous. In this case, if the number is bigger, for example 100, we want a curvatory trajectory, and if we want 0, we want a rect trajectory. We want to touch the point. So this is everything, and thank you.